There are numerous items accessible to crab traps, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best crab trap from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. The ASCII Fishing Bait Trap 2 Packs Crab Trap. With 2 packs portable automatic telescopic shrimp crab traps, it is convenient, no need to install, easy to use. Open the trap, then put baits into bait pouch. Just await the fish, shrimp, crabs and other aquatic organisms swim through the front and rear of mouths into the cage, that the prey cannot come out again. Made of double-layer nylon mesh and durable steel wire support, make the crab net durable and lightweight. It is convenient to take out the prey from the zipper opening, instead of taking it out from the hole with difficulty. 12.6 x 12.6 divided by 32 by 30 Twacom. Height 20.1 divided by 53 centimeters. Number 2. Brasserie Crab Trap. The galvanized 0.16 and steel wire is used as a circular spring cage, and the mesh of the polyethylene mesh is hand-processed to provide stability and durability and convenience. Suitable for saltwater and fresh water. 1 in network entrance and 0.39 and divided by 1 centimeter mesh designed to help you catch more prey you want to catch. The special openable design makes it easier to take out the captured prey. Avoid being bitten by prey during operation. Package: 1 fishing trap, 2 times 32 feet hand ropes, 1 bait bags, 1 trap bag. Size: 11.8 in x 23.6 in. Foldable design, easy to carry up without taking up space. It is the first choice for most outdoor recreational fishing. Number 3. WEISGJ Portable Folded Fishing Net Crab. Made of strong nylon and steel wires, durable in use, and has suspended sponge to provide firm support, which is a perfect fishing net. This fishing net trap adopts a 360-degree all-round capture design, which is very suitable for catching fishes, crab, lobster, minnows, shrimp and crawfish, etc. This fishing net trap is easy to use. Just pull the rope at the top, put the trap into the water with the rope support, and add bait at the bottom to catch it, and you can use it normally. Hanging fishing mesh trap adopts a multi-layer folding design. It is quick and easy to set up and take down. Storage up when not in use saves the space. 31.5 inches divided by 80 centimeters. Bottom diap 23.6 inches divided by 60 centimeters. Both heights 13. 8 in divided by 35 centimeters. Folded size 9.8 inches divided by 25 centimeters. Not only the appearance is exquisite, but also very suitable for gift giving. Number 4. Ink Base Crab Trap. It's a nice outdoor equipment that adds fun to fishing, camping, picnics, barbecues, and other outdoor activities at the seaside, lakeside. It can satisfy your child's curiosity, increase the joy of harvest, and enjoy fresh delicacies. Put the bait into the bait box, fix it on the rope in the middle of the cage, and then throw it into the water. After a while, take out the cage and harvest your prey. The longer the time, the more harvest. Get them on demand. Please release prey that is pregnant or young or unnecessary. The special openable design, as long as the fastener and the captured prey can be directly poured out, prevent from being injured by the prey. Just buy this product and bring bait, such as meat, fish, insects, bread, and so on. You can catch crabs, fish, lobsters, shrimps, crawfish, crawdad, and other prey. A gift backpack can hold all the accessories together. Easy to carry. The crab trap is foldable and durable. It dried quickly when it was aired on the spot. Number 5. Folded Fishing Trap. Automatic fishing bait trap, 8 sides, 8 holes, no need to install. Easy to use. As long as you pull the rope gently, the net will open automatically. It does not take up space and is easy to carry when you go out. This fish trap thickened steel wire skeleton is used to make the net stronger when lifting. Conceal the shuttle-shaped net mouth and deepen the depth of the entrance. The outside is large and the inside is small, so that the fishing effect is more significant. Portable crawfish trap zipper inverted fish mouth makes fish retrieval more convenient and concise. The method of use is to load bait, such as dead fish or food such as steamed buns, and put it straight into the water. After sinking to the bottom, fix it with a rope to prevent it from being washed away by the water. After a few hours, you will harvest it. Generally, it is miscellaneous. Fish and shrimp are mostly size 15.7 x 9.8 x 1.6 inches. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.